Hi everyone, welcome to Life Made Simply. My name is Nikki. In today's video, I wanted to share with you what I've been up to and a little update. If you do follow me on Instagram, be sure to follow me on my social media as well to just get updated on what I've been up to. But I co-hosted a spring event that was really fun, and I really wish I could have invited everybody to come, but it was a Seattle-based event for local creatives. And I partnered with a couple of my good friends, Katie and Stephanie. They are amazing girl bosses that have their own business and they do so many other things and they're very creative. So I will have links to their social media here as well as in the description box. And what we did is we just threw a spring event for creatives, and we just invited a bunch of people we knew on Facebook and Instagram that are local to the Seattle area that do amazing creative things, and we just had a really great event. And I just got the photos for them, so I really want to just share some photos with you of the event. So we had a braid bar, so Katie did braids on the girls' hair and everyone loved it. And then we also had an on-site photo shoot, so I pretty much just brought my ring light and backdrop, decorated it, and then you could just take photos of your braids or just take photos of people that you met or some friends that you made during the event. And it was really fun. Like, girls just literally gravitate to the ring light. We got some amazing photos. The photographers did such a great job. Their business is called Couple of Moments, and they're a couple and they do some great photography. They're also Seattle based. If you're looking for a photographer, I will have a link to their website and portfolio down below. So I brought some DIYs to display and show at the event. So I did have a homemade board that I made to display some floral wreaths that I made, as well as some decor that you can use on your vanity. So I also had a video that I played showing how to do the DIYs, a tutorial based video like the ones you see on this channel, and I will be posting those here as well. So I thought that would be a really fun thing to showcase how you can take things that are really inexpensive and do it yourself and make it something really chic and timeless that you can have in your home decor. My next announcement is that I have launched my website. I've been working on it for a while, and I really wanted to share it with you guys. So it's madesimplyco.com. So Made Simply Company is pretty much just my company that I want to put everything underneath, so I can have all of the things that I'm working on all in one place. And the website serves as like a portfolio and a blog, as well as my services and a shop. So it's all of those things under one, and I really wanted a website to put it on instead of just having everything all over my social media. I will be putting more blog posts, and for those of you who like to look at blog posts instead of videos for pictures and links, it will be on there. And I'm still working on putting some more blog posts from like older videos and my most popular videos to put on there. And I will also be sharing pictures and info about the events that I attend here in Seattle. I will have everything archived, and the DIYs and tutorials that I have on my channel will also be laid out on there, and they are divided into different sections, so it'll be easy for you to find. I really wanted it to feel like a home and lifestyle blog, because that's what I feel like my channel really falls under, because everything from home, including decor, organization, the routines, and all the little tips and hacks that I share, and the lifestyle is pretty much just me as a mom, a working mom, and all of the other tips that I share that encompass all the things that I do. I also want to share that I will be having a shop. I do have a small Etsy shop on Etsy, but I wanted to kind of transfer it to my website, so you are able to shop there. I have some pom-poms there for now, and before I added some things, I really wanted to get your feedback as well. There's just so many things that I want to put on there, but I really want to make sure there are things that really represent my channel and things that you see here a lot. So I want to get some really cute home decor things, some really cute small accent pieces, because I talk about those all the time on my channel, as well as some tote bags that you can use and little pouches. This is one that I designed. It says the Simple Life Society, and it has a heart in the home, and it says simplify your everyday life. And I just came up with the Simple Life Society as just a term to use for like the community here, something really easy to remember, and I want to thank you guys so much for being a part of it. I also made these little canvas tote bags. It's the same design, and on the back it says hashtag keep it simple, made simply company. I just really wanted to make some products that are affordable and something that I would buy personally and something that is useful to you. There's a lot that's been going on, so if I've been kind of MIA on YouTube, I've been working behind the scenes on things. So you can also subscribe to my blog to be notified of new posts and new products. I want to also do a weekly email that will just update you guys on what's going on and maybe have some tips that I don't share otherwise on my channel or on my social media. But I'm just trying a lot of new things. I really want to be accessible to you guys and really be able to answer your questions and just have the community be more active. I just wanted to do a small giveaway. Thank you guys so much for kind of hearing me out. Let me know what kind of products you would like to see in the store or what kind of posts you want to see on the blog. I would love to get your feedback because I'm doing this to help you guys. So today I wanted to do a giveaway for the tote bag. It's just a black tote bag. I chose black so it doesn't get dirty very easily, but you can use this for shopping or use this as your everyday tote. I love these for bringing to the store with me. So leave me a comment below on things you'd like to see in the shop or on the blog, or any feedback in general on my website and what you'd like to see, maybe some content on this channel, what you want to see for 2018, please let me know. I will have some spring decor videos coming up for you guys, and I want to thank you guys so much because I wouldn't be doing all of this if it wasn't for the community, and every comment and like and share that you give me just makes me more excited and makes me want to do more for you guys and just do more to be more creative as well. To share something really exciting, I did reach the 100,000 subscriber threshold on YouTube, and what came in the mail finally was my silver play button.
What are that book?
Okay, let's open this. This is happening.
It's black.
It says YouTube on here. Ooh, there's a letter. See it.
Whoa.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Don't touch it. You see yourself in it?
I see myself.
Wow.
Hold it up.
And Mary on it.
Super cool. You can put it right by your desk.
I'm excited.
It's like
Here
perfect.
for my.
Good job, honey. Good job, babe.
Thank you. It's so surreal that it's here, and it actually has like my channel names, a nice representation of all the hard work and over the years, all of the editing and filming that I did just to reach this 100,000, and for every person who clicked subscribe and every person who even just viewed my videos. I think there's like 13 million views on my channel over my desk to just remind me of like how far I've come and how much more I want to do, and it's just like having an award pretty much. So I love it, and again I want to thank you guys so much. This is just a little reminder that I have every day to just, you know, do more. So be sure to check out my new website, madesimplyco.com. Subscribe there to join the email list to be notified of new updates and products. Be sure to leave me a comment down below to enter the giveaway, and there'll be more information all in the description box. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!